Hey guys, so after some time, another update video. First of all, before I show you some of the new things, I want to tell you about the contest. So let me just show you. Uh, Currently, we are in the finals, as you can see. We are participating in the White Knight Dev contest, and we are in the final round. And we really could use your votes. So please vote for us. I will put the link in the description. You can vote once per day. I will put the direct link in the description, so you just have to click it and click on the thumbs up here, and you can do this once per day, and that would really help us because this is the last round. And then the winners of the contest are decided. There will be more than one winner, how we understand it, but we don't know really how much. So, but as you can see, we are currently on place 1 in terms of community votes, which doesn't necessarily mean we are the best game here, but it means we have the most community votes. And I believe there will be a community winner in the end. And there's a jury which actually decides the winners, and there will also be a community winner. So the votes actually matter. And the more votes, the higher up we are in the list. So, and there are only like 34 games left, I believe. So, yeah, we are on place 1 right now. So, 550 have entered the contest, and we are now down to 34 left, and we are on the last round. And this should end someday in May. So, I'm not sure which date, because they moved the date and they didn't told us a specific date, but it shouldn't be too long. It's maybe 1 week or 2 weeks. Not really sure, but these votes will probably not be on a long time. So please help us out to keep us on place 1. It would mean a lot to us. Yeah. So now let's go to the actual game here. So because of the contest, we didn't want to make huge changes, because we wanted to fast react if we find critical issues, and we found a lot of critical issues, and there's still a few left, but we're working on it. But let me show you some things that changed. Actually, let me think. So one thing, let me show you first one thing. A lot of people were complaining that our dungeons are too dark, and that's true, they are too dark. And this is something we are like tweaking. We made one quick tweak, which is we made this light radius a lot brighter. So before, like in the last version I showed you this, and also in the trailer, this light radius had a realistic light fall off, and so you would like barely see anything. And now it has like almost no light fall off, and it's actually a little bit bigger, so you can see more in the dungeons. But this is also not the final lighting version. We will improve the dungeon lighting further in development. So don't worry. You will see stuff in the dungeons, but they still will be considerably darker than the overworld. Yeah, and let me just go to the overworld again. We got some quality of life improvements, basically, mostly for multiplayer. So this is single player, but the UI is still there. For example, we now have a player's menu. It's like default on Piki. So we see who is online on our server currently. And since we are in single player, we don't see an account name, and we are like alone here. And this also is a way to friend and hostile other players, because you have the standing here. This means to each other player you have a standing, which could be friendly, neutral, or hostile. And you can change it here. So I can't change the standing to myself, obviously, but if I would click this, I would be neutral to this person. If I click hostile, I would be hostile to this person. And this is important that we can change this now here, and we don't have the old party system anymore, because now all effects which benefit friends actually do work properly. So if I have like some, for example, war banner, and like an ally goes into here, it receives a bonus. And for example, I believe the bonus here is to move speed. Yeah, my move speed just went down. And this is also applied to everyone I'm friendly at, but not to people I'm just neutral at. So we also have a chat now. At enter, you can like make chat messages. So there also have been some improvements to the map, but I believe I need to change character to really show you. So let's do that. Create a new character, sorceress, Torisorg. And let's just let's not cheat. We're not cheating. Well, let's get the admin sub just to be faster, because it increases movement speed by a shit ton. So, and then phase shift. You can actually teleport through here with phase shift. At least you should be able to. Yeah. Which is something that will change in the future. But yeah, we also want to remove this card anyway, because where is it? Here's a war camp somewhere around here. If I can find it. Well, let me zoom out. Should be able to see it on the... Ah, there it is. Yeah, there it is. So here we have a war camp, which is... It's not finished yet, but it's currently worked on by one of our new level designers, or our one new level designer, let's say it like that. Yeah, and this will be a location where you can fight some bandits who live here, and yeah, do some heinous stuff in here. So we also got a few new enemies. First of all, like we got wolves. Like these guys here. And we also got a alpha version of them, which is not completely ready. That should give like an alpha buff to wolves around it. And I believe there was another enemy as well. Undead warrior. We have two. Oh, warlord. Yeah, I think the warrior we already had, and the warlord is new, I believe. Oh, that guy looks dangerous. Yeah, that's new, I believe. Yeah, you can also stun with his attack. Let's just kill this guy. So, and other than that, we did like a ton of bug fixes, obviously, fixed a ton of issues. And as I said, we didn't want to make too big changes. So we don't have our quest system right now, but it's mostly done. It's like almost done. Just a few bugs to fix, and then making some dialogues, and then we have quests. So let me think. Do we have something else new? Nothing we have in our current build. We have some new stuff in the editor, like some new items, item models and stuff, but it can't really show it in here right now. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video because I haven't made one in a long time, and I just want to should tell you we are still working on this. We just went a little bit slower because of the contest which is currently running. And after the contest, expect some big changes, some big new stuff. And yeah, please go to the contest site and vote for us. That would be really helpful. Thank you.